Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Mantras channel. In our today class, we are going to learn regarding the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Every quadratic equation will have two roots that we will be coming to know after solving. But without solving the quadratic equation, we can comment on the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. How this is possible, let us see now. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then the value of b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the given quadratic equation. So if you see ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a value, b value and c values are the real numbers. Here a value should not be equal to 0. So a, b, c values, based on this a, b, c values, we have a special term that is called discriminant b square minus 4ac. This particular value is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. Now this discriminant part is denoted with a special symbol called delta. So we can write as delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Based on this delta or b square minus 4ac, the quadratic equation roots are segregated. How they are segregated, let us see. If the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 of a quadratic equation, then the roots are real numbers, and that too they are equal. Two equal roots and the real numbers we are going to get if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means if you get a positive value, then the roots are real and unequal. Unequal means we are not going to get the same roots, different roots we are going to get it. If b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, then the roots are not real. So lesser than 0 means what? If you get a negative value, so b square minus 4ac value, if you get negative, then it is called, the roots are imaginary roots or the complex roots. They are not the real roots. To understand this, let us see some questions. So here one question is there: without solving, examining the nature of the roots of the equation 5x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. So here, to find the nature of the roots, we require the discriminant. So to find the discriminant, we want the values of a, b, c. So comparing the given equation with the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 7 here. Now find the value of b square minus 4ac. It is delta. B square minus 4ac is equal to, what is the value of b? That is minus 6. So minus 6 whole square minus 4 into, what is the value of a? Is 5. What is the value of c? Is 7. So that is equal to minus 6 whole square is 36 we get. So 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 7 is 140. So here minus 6, here minus 6 whole square, minus 6 into minus 6 we get 36 plus 36. 36 minus 140 we are going to get as minus 104, which is a negative value. So b square minus 4ac is negative. So what we can write is lesser than 0. Then what we can write, the roots are not real, or the roots are imaginary. As b square minus 4ac value, we got it as negative. Now let us see one more question. Without solving, examining the nature of the equation x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is also the same method. Let us take the given equation, compare with the standard form of the quadratic equation and take out the values of a, b, c. A is equal to 1 we get, b is equal to 6 we get, and c is equal to 9. Then what is the value of delta? That is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to, b value is again 6 here, 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 9 we get. So that is equal to 6 square is 36 minus 4 into 1 into 9, also we get the same 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 we got. Then what condition we are going to get? Then roots are, what type of roots we get? If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. The previous question we got b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, so roots were not real. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 we got, so the roots are real and equal. Let us check one more question. Solve without solving, we have to examine the nature of the roots of 2x square plus 6x plus 3. So here a value is 2, b value is 6 and c value is 3. Now if we after comparing find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is equal to, the b value is 6 here, so 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that is 6 square is 36 minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24 we get. So 36 minus 24 we are going to get as 12. So the b square minus 4ac value we got 12, it means it is greater than 0. So what we can write in this case, b square minus 4ac greater than 0 means the roots are real and unequal. So here the values will be, the roots will be not same, they are going to get different roots, means real numbers only we are going to get, but their values will be different. Roots are real and unequal. So these are the three different type of questions where we got the different three cases. Now let us see some of the application oriented questions which are expected to be asked in the board examination. So find the value of k when the equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0 has equal roots. Here the question is, the equation is having the equal roots, so at that case we have to find the value of k. Now to solve this, first we have to take the values of a, b, c. So the value of a is 2, the value of b is k, and the value of c is 3 by comparing the given equation with the general form of quadratic equation. Now here no need to find the b square minus 4ac value, already they are given. The equation has equal roots, so b square minus 4ac, directly you make it as is equal to 0. Now substitute the value of b value, a value and c value. B value is k, so k square minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is 3, that is equal to 0. K square minus 4 times 2 8, 8 times 3 24 is equal to 0. So k square minus 24, if you shift to another side it becomes plus 24. So k is equal to square root of 24 we get. Then k is plus or minus we can take here. Then k is equal to plus or minus, this root 24 is not in the standard form of root, then we can simplify still as 6 into 4. Then k is equal to, we can write as plus or minus, if you bring the 4 outside becomes 2 square root of 6. So k value is plus or minus 2 into root 6. So these type of questions are expected to be asked in the board examination. Now let us see one more question. Find the value of k for which the equation 3x square minus 6x plus k is equal to 0 has distinct and real roots. So this also the same method. Let us take the solution. If you see, compare the equation and write the values of a, b, c. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to k. So here the roots are distinct and real. So the condition b square minus 4ac greater than 0. It's not equal to 0 or lesser than 0 because the equation has distinct means unequal. So now the values of BAC, if you substitute here, we get the value of K. So B value is minus 6, so minus 6 whole square minus 4 into A value is 3 and C value is K is greater than 0. So minus 6 whole square we get 36 minus 4 3s are 12, K is greater than 0. So 36 minus 12K is greater than 0. This minus 12K, if we shift to another form of an equation, we get 36 is greater than 12K. Minus term becomes plus term. Now dividing with 12 on the both sides, we get 36 divided by 12 is greater than K. We can take 12 ones are 12 3s are. So 3 is lesser than K we get. So still if you simplify, we are going to get as K is lesser than 3. 3 is lesser than K or K is lesser than 3. So this is the answer for the question. So in this way, children, you can solve the quadratic equations, nature of the roots type of questions. Directly the questions can be asked, find the discriminant, or the applications of the questions like this to find the value of K or any of the unknown variable. Thank you for watching.